Alright, let's do a review for model W33. It's a Bluetooth speaker system with alarm clock, wireless charging station. I bought this on Amazon. The supplier's name was Radioddity. That's the company name or the manufacturer. As you can see here, it says Instabox. But I do know the model number is W33. It's Bluetooth, and it also offers wireless charging. It has two different alarm clocks. The clock function, you can select between 12-hour or 24-hour time. It will take USB or an auxiliary input via cable that they provide. Has an FM antenna. It only does FM, it doesn't do AM. So if you wanted AM, of course, you would run your iHeartRadio on your phone and you would stream it through here with the Bluetooth. That's a really nice thing about this is I can really do anything on my phone with this. I can answer phone calls with this, clicking this button here to answer the call. To hang up, click that. It has a microphone and speaker set inside of this clock radio, so you can just use this instead of your phone. A very nice feature. All right, one thing to get started is it comes with two batteries. One is extra, which is nice, right here. The other one you install yourself right back here, and that is for memory backup in case there's a power outage, and you all know how that works. Power outage, it saves the information as far as alarm and time, so when the power goes back on again while you're sleeping, you don't have to worry about your alarm not going off. To charge your phone, put it on the landing pad there, and let me show you. You can see here, we're not charging, and as you can see the little green box at the top? We are charging. That's how that works. If your phone does not charge like this, you can use the USB back here to connect your phone and charge it that way. So, regardless of what phone you have, you should be able to operate it. All right. To set the time, you've got time right there, and minus and plus. Okay. Select the time once. I'm pushing it back here. Do I want 12-hour? Or 24-hour? You can do either one. And I want 12-hour. So go ahead and push time again. Now it lets me choose less, but I know it's 8:31. Push time again. Now I can adjust my minutes. And when I'm all done, push time again on the back. All right, time is set. Now all of these controls, the buttons that you have here, are also available on the included remote. So I'll try to use this as much as I can so as not to block the front of the camera here. So using mode, watch my finger here at the top, push it. That's the auxiliary in for something other than USB. If you want to input MP3 or some other device that you would run through here, you could use this cable, and you would need to have this symbol at the top to work that. All right, radio, USB, and that's Bluetooth. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. That's this button here, or that's this button here. There you go. My phone already connected to it. That was that noise that you just heard, that sound. You're looking for W33 for connected. Go ahead and disconnect it so we can do it again. There it goes off. And I'm going to connect it. All right, now we're connected. I can, like I said, I can take phone calls. I can make phone calls from my phone, turn it on, and have a conversation while I'm in bed without holding a phone to my ear. The next thing we will do here is setting the alarm. I'm definitely going to go over this because this can be a little confusing. Play around with it. With the instructions, you'll figure it out, but save you some time. There's your alarm 1 and alarm 2. Okay. I'm going to push alarm 1. There you go. That's buzzer. That's USB. That's off. And that's radio. That just tells you what sound you're going to hear when the alarm goes off. So I personally like buzzer. All right, so we're going to do that. After you push it, then you push set and mode. Pushing set, I can adjust the hour. I can adjust the minutes. See them flashing. When I'm all done, I push it again. Now the alarm is set. Okay. When the alarm goes off, you can hit snooze. It will snooze it 9 minutes at a time. If you don't push snooze, the alarm will stay on for 30 minutes. One thing that's unique about this alarm clock is when the alarm starts to go off, whether it be radio or the buzzer, it starts off at a lower tone. The volume is lower, and it gradually gets louder and louder, so you aren't just abruptly woken up with this alarm clock. All right, let's see what else we have here. Sleep function mode. You see the button sleep. That button is also on the remote. Let's go ahead and push this here. 90 minutes is the most you can have for sleep time. Your radio, you can play whatever radio or anything you're playing on your phone that you're streaming through here. You can listen to it for 90 minutes. It goes in 10-minute increments. 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, and off. Let's say you go ahead and set this for 90 minutes using the remote, just to show you that works. Go ahead and let it go. You're listening to your radio or whatever you're listening to on your phone. While it's playing, of course, you just see the time. If halfway through it, you'd like to see how much time you have left before the radio turns off, you would just push sleep again, and it would actually tell you how many minutes are left. That's kind of nice. All right, let's see what else we have here. Playing music from mobile via Bluetooth. Again, if you're playing via Bluetooth, you just make sure it's on Bluetooth. If that's showing, it won't play on Bluetooth. Obviously, if anything but Bluetooth is showing, it won't play on Bluetooth. Now it'll play on Bluetooth. All right. Let's see what kind of sound quality we have here. Don't want to break any copyright laws, so instead of going to my own music collection, we will go to iHeartRadio. Let's see what's on. I think I can show that.
Memory. We live in Connecticut.
That's volume.
Take care, Julian.
The letter U denotes volume.
In Newark.
Pretty clear sound, especially for a bedroom nightstand next to the bed.
For 2 months, the combination of these products has greatly helped me with my ability to handle stress.
Okay. Let's see if I can get some music here. Would you like that? All right.
You said
Let's
that
see here.
your phosphatidyl 6.
Play this. So the radio's decent for right next to the bedstand. I think that'll be just fine. I'll definitely use that when I go to sleep. I like to listen to audiobooks, and I use that on Audibles, and I'll go to sleep with that. Now I don't have to drain the batteries on my phone for the speaker, and I can actually get a louder volume, more clear volume with an auxiliary speaker such as this. All right, FM radio, it's pretty straightforward. You press and hold the scan button, which is right here, also on the remote control. That'll search and store 20 stations. You can, however, in addition to that, use this button, the arrow that way or the arrow that way, which you'll also find on here, tune up or tune down, and that will fast scan up or down the band, whichever way you'd like to go. And when you select your station, you just leave it there, or you can hit the scan mode again, and that will stop the scan, and you can listen to the station that you're interested in. Let me see if there's anything else I've got. That is it. The manual is pretty easy to understand. No problems there. I went through it, a couple times this morning before doing this video, and I pretty much got it memorized. Would I buy it again? Yes. Would I give it as a gift? Almost definitely. This would be a great thing to ship by mail. As you can see, it's about the length of a hand. It's not very big. It's got a nice feel to it. I also like how the buttons are flush with the top. There's nothing to catch on anything, which makes dusting a lot easier. There it is. I do like how I can charge my phone. So as I'm using the Bluetooth, listening to audibles or whatever I'm listening to on my phone, it's also charging without me having to use my charging cable. Bought it on Amazon. I got a great deal on it. It was next day shipping. Very happy with this product. If you don't have one and you're looking for a clock radio like this that will do Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, I would suggest you getting this. Have a great day.